A Kashmiri truck driver was beaten by forces personnel at Toll Plaza in Indian state of Punjab. President Truck Operators Welfare Union Hilal Malik said that the truck driver, identified as Sahil Iqbal of Yaripura, Pulwama, was injured after he was beaten by men at Toll Plaza in Mukerian area of Punjab. We demand Punjab police to take strict action against the culprits, he said. An unidentified body was found under mysterious circumstances in Baramulla district. The body was recovered in Patan area in the district. It is the second consecutive day today when such a body was found under mysterious circumstances in the territory. The discovery of such bodies has witnessed a sharp rise since Modi regime abrogated special status in August 2019. Nazir Ahmed, popularly known as Muhammad Aqib, a freedom activist, died at a hospital in Rawalpindi today. Nazir Ahmed migrated from occupied territory to Muzaffarabad, Azad Kashmir in 2000 to evade Indian persecution. He had been seriously ill for the past some months and was undergoing treatment at a hospital in Rawalpindi and died today. At least 20 people were injured when a vehicle they were travelling in met with an accident in Batayan area of Hindutva in North Kashmir's Kupwara district on Tuesday. An official told the media that a bus turned turtle near Batayan when it was on way to Srinagar. Injured people were shifted to nearby hospital for treatment. Already notorious for killing innocent youth in fake encounters for promotions and other perks and privileges, 4 Indian Forces personnel, including a police officer and a Central Reserve Police Force personnel, were arrested in police sub-inspector recruitment scam, taking the number of total arrests to 13. Working President of Jammu and Kashmir chapter of Congress Party Raman Bhalla has hit out at the Bharatiya Janata Party for misleading people on every court just to attain power and not caring about urges and aspirations of the people.